Tuni Zinglam Midan Somna Khatjun Rema Bible School Churchanpur Branch Hondona Kingun Revival Church of God Center Church Hilltown Lamka Umin Ahi Kingun Lamka in Upapi Athang Local Chairman Apangin Patpat Tauna Upa Zang Thang ex-local chairman in Anayin Limathu Sena Upa Lalboy Vice Moderator RCZ in Anayin Vajayla Sana Marzi Youth Hostel in Anayin Abanin Rema Bible School Honalet Hinsona Rev.Dr. Executive Secretary RCZ in Anayin Ahi Josowin RBS Thusim Seipong Nalakipathu Sena Pat B Rev.Dr.Khupkam Principal RBS in Anayin Hityahin Rema Bible School Ahung Kibul Patna Munpi Headquarter London UK Ahitu Asayin Amun Pilangalam Kaihode Sana Zala Bible School Hitu Nikwa Hondotia Umahitu Asaye RCZ Assembly in Apalpi na Tsunga Kipatu Apungin Ahung Kikomzo si Tsunga Zong Kipatu Asaye Chulaikin Timpu Tsunga Tirpabol na Inpun Silpi na Zong Anayin Ahi Pat Kha na le Chadon Town na Reverend Pauneo Bill Pastor Anayin Kingun Manzo Ahi Het Thekha to School RBS Kaiding Hon Min Hum Patni Ahi Tuni April Isim Soma Pat Isim Som Thum Changay Hiding Ahi Class Patni Main Isim Thum Sang Ni La Som Milanga Hiding Class Ahi Le Haptakana Ni Vei Sung Kilading In Sung Kinho Su Boy Loading Ate Na Zia Kibol Ahi Min Hum Na Le Lekha Ho Man Ahi Le Sang Le Zanga Kum Khadading Ahi in Rema Bible School Churchanpur Branch in University Level Up Degree Course Abol Ahi Boy Course offer Abol Ho to General Certificate in Biblical Studies 1 year General Diploma in Biblical Studies 1 year Advanced Diploma in Biblical Studies 1 year Diploma in Evangelism and Discipleship 1 year to Master's Program in Church Leadership and Management 18 months ho ahi Churchanpur District Sunga Koi Hobung Koi Mi Hele Bible Zilala Malunglu na Naile Pathin Tu Het Benom Ho Lunggel na Zo Sia Dinga Ki Hong Ahi in Admission Bolnum Zo Sia Dinga Kotlin Ta Ki Hong Zing Ahi Tu Principal Dr. Rev.Dr.Khupkam Makon Het Ahi Rema Bible School Churchanpur Branch to Pi Ahi Le Room Bung Som Chang Som Le Sagina Thuza ako na taasan doa Krista thudo se pong na ako na thu kezado ahi Patien thu Bible busom gublegum hi kinga anabul pipen ahi Patien thu het di lo zia taasan na di lo ako na ki huido na ding chole taw na to thuwa hi Rema Bible School hi kisim do ahi School in atup thu pipen ahi le Patien thu di ta zil azuiding pakai Jesu Krista ahung ki ni hoting le Koi ma da a lo na ding kipa le thanom ta amalam to thena dinga pathian thu het gilding chule azil ho zo se pathian man cha mi a hi duty ho atup le doi pen a hi